Hello all. I've got a neat little OBS trick for you. Follow along. You know how everybody loves that infinity screen in OBS. Don't you? Let me show you. This kind of screen. Well, actually, no, nobody loves it. That's pretty obvious. And we would rather be rid of it. But how do you do that? Well, there is a simple, very simple little trick for that. All you have to do is take your mouse, point it to the little icon in the toolbar of your screen, and then click on it. Presto, it's gone. And that is how you do it. Now, how do you get your preview screen back? Well, you go back to your preview and you click on the Enable Preview. And here we are again. It's as simple as that. So you can see getting rid of that infinity window is not difficult at all. If you want more of these tricks, please subscribe to my channel and I will get you more, I hope. See you later.